Good morning, afternoon, evening, nasan man po kayo mga mahal naming taga-panood sa ating YT channel ng ating Skip-Bo full episodes. Narito na pong Skip-Bo full episode 16 na po. So, bago pa natin simulan ang laban na ito, we have to deal 5 cards to our draw pile. To our stockpile. So, five stockpile to each player. So, let's deal. So, let's shuffle muna bago tayo mag-deal. So, shuffle muna natin ang deck natin ng cards ng Skip-Bo para maghalo-halo at makapaglaro po tayo. Okay. So, let's shuffle our deck ng maigi para maghalo-halo. Shuffle our deck. Ayan. Tignan pa natin para maghalo-halo talaga ang mga cards. Okay. So, ayan. So, abangan na rin po ang full episode 5 ng Uno card game po natin. Malapit na po yan, mga taga-Uno po natin. So, huwag niyo po lang kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Then hit the notification bell para lagi po updated sa mga susunod po nating mga upload. Okay. So, simulan na natin ang pag-upload. Pagdi-deal ng cards. Okay. 5 cards to each stockpile to each player. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sa akin po yan. Then the opponent has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, then, tayo naman nang bubunot ng 5 cards to each player. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. Okay, so, the youngest player goes first. So, flip our stockpile. 9, then the opponent has 5. So the player 2 goes first. So kunin natin ang mga barahan natin. Okay, tingnan natin ang mga barahan natin. So we have no playable cards for today. So the opponent has 1. So they have to play their 1. Then, discard their 1 card, which is their 8. So, okay. So, tayo na pong titira. We have no playable cards pa rin. So, we have to titira. So, wala tayong playable cards. So, 12 ang i-discard po natin. Then, the opponent's turn. Draw 2 cards. Okay, 2 cards. So, they need 2 para makuha nila yung 3, 4, na may tira. So, di-discard nila ulit ang kanilang 7. Okay. So, the opponent's turn. Tapos na po ang tira nila. So, tayo na nang pong titira. Bubunot ng 1 card. So, 2. So, we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1. Kasi kapag tumira tayo, maabutan na rin yung 5 tira. So, baka may sila playable cards. So, matatalo po tayo. So, let's discard our 6. Green 6. Yung 6 po natin, i-discard po natin. So, tayo na po ang titira. Haiste, the opponent's turn pala. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw 1 card. 5. So, 1, 2. So, wala pa rin silang tira. So, they have to play their 1. So, 1 ulit. Then, kailangan nila lang 2. Para may tira yung 3, 4. Then, the 5. So, i-discard nila ulit ang kanilang 6. So, nag-discard sila ng 1 card. Then, tayo pong titira ng ay bubunot ng 1 card ulit. So, 2. So, We have to discard our 4 para mag-clear yan. Malahan natin. So, tayo pong titira ulit. Ay, opponent's turn ulit. Then, draw 2 cards. Okay. So, kompleto na yan. So, 2, 3, 4, play to 5, and the next card, 4. So, 6, 7, 8, then discard the 10. So, may isa pang card silang natitira dyan. So, tayo na pang titira kasi nag-discard na sila ng 1 card, which is yung 10. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. So, let's draw 1 card. Okay, 1. So, we have 2 dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, we have 9 dito. So, playable yung 9. So, 9. Then, the next card, 4. So, skip a wild card is playable. So, lagyan natin yan. Pwedeng 10, pwedeng 5, o pwedeng 1 yan. So, ito ititira kong 1, 2. Pag naubos ang barahan natin at di pa tayo nagdi-discard, bunot pa tayo ng additional 5 cards para ituloy pang ating tira. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have playable cards din dito. We have 1, 2, then play the skip a wild card, which is 3, then 4. Flip the next card, 4 ulit. So, we need to discard our 10. Okay. 1 card na lang titira sa atin. So, ang kalaban ay bubunot ng 4 cards din lang. Ayan. So, wala silang playable cards to our hand, pero meron silang magagawa. So, they can play their 10, 11, and 12. When the building pile, the one building pile reaches 12, tanggalin po natin at iset aside para ma-reshuffle mamaya sa mga cards. Pag wala na po tayong mabubunutan mamaya. So, natin dyan. So, the opponent's turn pa rin po. They discard their 11. So, may dalawa pa silang cards. So, we have to, medyo hanap po natin. We need to draw 4 cards din. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 3 dito. Playable na po yan. So, we have 3. So, may 4 na dito. 4. The next card, 6. So, you have to play the skip a wild card which is playable. So, any number. So, 5, 6. You have last card, 1. So, kailangan nating tumira ng 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 para may para may tira tong 1. So, that is card R12. Then, the opponent's turn draws 3 cards. So, the opponent tumira ng 7. Then, they need 1 dito. So, magdi-discard ulit sila ng 12. So, okay. We have 2 cards in our hand. So, let's draw 3 cards. 2, 3, 5. So, we need kung dito, we need 8 dyan. So, let's discard our 10. Boom. So, the opponent's turn. Ulit ang titira. So, 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, they have playable 8. So, tira nila yan. So, they have 8. Then, discard their 10. So, tayo na pong titira ulit. Have to draw 1 card. So, 3. So, we have no playable cards to play. So, we have to discard our 6. With 9, 9 para may tira yan. So, I have to draw 1, 2 cards. So, 11 ulit. They have to discard their 1 card which is their 11. So, our turn, we need to draw 1 card. So, we have 9 dito. So we have to place our skippable card 9, 10, then our 1 is playable, so 3, 4. So 1. Okay. So that is 4 building piles. Then 4 building piles for discard piles. So yan lang pong total. Hindi na pwede tayong gumawa pa ng building pile dahil 4 lang po ang pwedeng building piles po natin. So okay, dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating laro. Full episode 16. Then, magkita-kita po tayo sa next episode ng Skip Bow, full episode 17, then full episode 5 ng Uno. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan, mga tagapanood pa natin. At wag lang po ang kalimutan na mag-like, share, and subscribe kapag nagusto po niyo mga videos pa natin. Wag niyo pong kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe sa ating YT channel for more videos to upload to our YT channel. Okay. So, hanggang dito muna po tayo. Then, magkita-kita po tayo sa next episode ng Skip Bow. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. Bye-bye!